DNA markers. A DNA marker must have at least two alleles to be an informative genetic marker and can be used for genetic mapping of the genomes. There are three types of the DNA sequences that are usually used for the genetic mapping of the genomes. They are RFLP, SSLP, and SNP. In addition to this, AFLP is also used as DNA markers. These are the common DNA markers which are used: restriction fragment length polymorphism, simple sequence length polymorphism, and single nucleotide polymorphism, which are used as DNA markers for the genetic mapping of the genomes. This is an example of RFLP. The DNA molecule on the left, this one has a polymorphic restriction site here that has been marked by a steric. That is not present in the molecule on the right side. Here we can see that this polymorphic restriction site is not present in this DNA molecule. So when we will use RFLP after the treatment with the restriction enzyme, because one of the molecule will be cut into 4 fragments, because here is a polymorphic restriction enzyme site. So when we will use a specific restriction enzyme, this DNA molecule will be cut into 4 fragments. Here we can see that there are 4 different fragments. Because in the second allele, in the second DNA, we have not seen that there is a site for a restriction enzyme. So this DNA with the same restriction enzyme will be digested into 3 fragments. So this is the method that how RFLP are performed. RFLP are performed based on the sites for the different restriction enzymes. On the other hand, RAPD is based on the markers DNA fragments from PCR amplification of a random segment of genomic DNA with single primer. In case of RAPD, usually single primer is used. That single primer binds to the genomic DNA at the complementary sequence. In this DNA, we can see that the primer has bind at 4 different locations that have been marked with the arrows. While in case of second DNA molecule, this primer was bound to 3 different locations: location number 1, location number 2, and location number 3. So this primer was not bound to the second DNA molecule at this location. So when we do a comparison between the fragments, in case of DNA sample A, here we can see that here are 4 fragments, but in case of sample B, there are 3 fragments. So this is the second method of polymorphism, which is called as RAPD. In case of RAPD, usually single primer is used and the size of the primer can be up to 10 nucleotides. So this is the second type of the DNA markers which are used for the genetic mapping of the genomes. Another method which is called as AFLPs, they are also used for the genomic mapping. AFLP are difference in restriction fragment length caused by either by SNPs or by the indels that create or abolish restriction endonuclease recognition sites. AFLP technique is based on the selective PCR amplification of the restriction fragment from a total digest of the genomic DNA. The third type of the DNA markers, they are called as SSR. So SSR, a PCR based marker with 18 to 25 base pair primers. SSR polymorphism are based on the number of repeat units. They are the repeated DNA. They can be in the form of dinucleotide, trinucleotide, or tetranucleotide, and so on. And they are usually hypervariable DNA. So SSR have stable amplification and good repeatability. SSR easy to run and automate. This is an example of the SSR. Here we can see that in case of first DNA molecule, there are 5 multiples of AC. So this is a dinucleotide DNA where we can see that AC, is going to repeat. In this DNA molecule, AC has been repeated 5 times. And in the second DNA molecule, we can see that AC has been repeated 6 times. And in the third DNA molecule, it has been repeated by 7 times. So this is the example of the SSR, where it can be in the form of dinucleotide. This is the example of dinucleotide. It can be tri, tetra, pentanucleotides, and they are the example of SSR. So if we conclude that what are DNA markers, a DNA marker must have at least 2 alleles to be useful, so that can be used for the genetic mapping of the genomes. Examples of the DNA markers are RFLP, SSLP, SNP, etc.